Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Keap CRM email sync and contact matching, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Keap CRM account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your main menu. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration options. From the settings menu, select the email or email sync option. Check if your email account is connected by reviewing the sync status. If your email is not connected, follow the prompts to integrate your email account. Once your email is connected, it's important to verify the sync settings. Check that the appropriate folders for incoming and outgoing emails are selected. Next, head over to the Contact Management section in the main menu. Search for a contact you want to verify email sync with. Open the contact's profile to review their details. Look for the email history section in the contact profile. Verify if recent interactions are displayed, indicating successful email sync. If you notice missing emails, check the sync configuration again for errors. To ensure accurate contact matching, access the Contacts section from the main menu. Use the search bar to find contacts that may have duplicate entries. Review each contact's details and corresponding email addresses. If duplicates are found, choose to merge or delete unnecessary entries. Confirm the primary email address is the correct one after merging contacts. After merging, revisit the email history to confirm the updates. Finally, perform a test by sending an email to the verified contact. Monitor the email outcome to ensure it is logged in the CRM. This completes the verification process for email sync and contact matching in Keap CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.